Hi folks, it's Don with Winter Park Collectibles. I want to introduce you to one of our newest products. It's a wash basket for the HeyGears washing cure. This is something that we use literally every day and saves us a lot of money on IPA. So here's a little demo on how this product works. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take our basket. We're going to pull our prints out of the printer. Put them into the basket. And we're going to put the basket into our bucket of dirty IPA. Now we're going to run that for 3 minutes. Since this is just a demo, we're not going to run it for the full time. We're going to put this off to the side, put our clean bucket of IPA on the wash machine. Remove the basket from the dirty IPA. And we're going to let it drain for a few seconds just so we don't get IPA all over the place slinging it around. And then we're going to put that into the clean bucket. And lock it down. And run it for 3 minutes. So essentially what we've done is we've kept the dirty IPA dirty and the clean IPA relatively clean. So your parts come out looking a little bit better. They don't get that film, they don't get that white stuff, they don't get stuff hanging all over it. So we'll move this over here. Pull the basket out, let it drain a couple minutes, well, a few seconds. Again, so we don't get IPA all over the place. And then once it drains, we'll just dump it off to wherever you dump it to. I dump it over here on a tray so it dries. And then I can come back later and clean them up. So now what I do is I take the basket and put it off to the side. And the reason I do that is because the basket will eventually deteriorate if you leave it in the IPA. The IPA is pretty strong. So the goal is to make this basket last as long as possible, and by doing that, or to do that, we don't leave it in the alcohol. And that's it. That's the whole system in a nutshell. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them down below. And I apologize for the quality. This is our first video. So see you next time.